Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Are you all ready with your workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start.
Yes.
So please take a workbook, page number 4. Take workbook, page number 4. And the same page you can see on the screen also. Let me share the screen. And here we have question number 15. We have to start question number 15. Anirudh, please read the question. Anirudh, please read the question. Question number 15.
Ram has 10
Uh,
chocolates.
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 While
While
Rita
the has 20 chocolates. How many more chocolates does Rita have?
Yes, very good. So now you please listen. Ram has 10 chocolates. Understood? Ram has 10 chocolates. While Rita has 20 chocolates. So here we can see there are two children, Ram and Rita. And they have some chocolates also. How many chocolates are there with Ram? How many chocolates are there?
10.
10 chocolates are there. Now, Rita, how much chocolates? 20 chocolates. So, Ram having 10 chocolates, Rita having 20 chocolates. So, who is having more number of chocolates? Who is having more number of chocolates? Rita. Because when we compare 10 and 20, we can see 20 is the bigger number. So Rita having more number of chocolates. Now, what is the question? How many more chocolates? Okay. How many more? How many less? How many more? These all are related to subtraction. So how many more chocolates does Rita have? So we have to find out how many more chocolates are with Rita. So we have to subtract the numbers. And here we have the bigger number is 20, smaller number 10. So let's subtract the numbers. And 10 and 20 both are two-digit numbers having two places, tens and ones. Now let's write the places first. So T, O, tens and ones. Now let's write the numbers one below the other. And here we have the bigger number 20, smaller number 10. Let's start from the ones place. And here we have ones place, 0 minus 0. Elhana, what is 0 minus 0? 0. Tens place 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1?
1.
1. Very good. So we got the answer 10. So how many chocolates more? How many more chocolates does Rita have?
10.
10 chocolates more. So we can write here, Rita has 10 chocolates more. 10 chocolates more. You can also write, Rita has 10 chocolates. Rita has 10 chocolates more. 10 chocolates more than Ram. Please write the answer. Rita has 10 chocolates more than Ram. How many more? How many less? We have to subtract the numbers. So here we can see Ram has 10 chocolates, Rita has 20 chocolates. And the question is, how many more chocolates does Rita have? we can see Rita having 20 chocolates. That means Rita having more number of chocolates. So how many more chocolates are there with Rita? So we have to subtract the numbers. So 20 minus 10, the answer is 10 itself. So 10 chocolates are more than Ram. Rita has 10 chocolates more than Ram. Is it clear, the question and answer? You can show me the thumbs up. Is it clear, the question and answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So please complete the answer in the workbook. Yes, Emmanuel, tell me.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Please listen here. Ram has 10 chocolates. Rita has 20 chocolates. Emmanuel, so who is having more number of chocolates? Is it Ram or Rita? Emmanuel, who is having more number of chocolates?
Rita.
Rita, when we compare the numbers 10 and 20, we can see 20 is the bigger number. So 20 is the bigger number. So Rita having more number of chocolates. Now, what is the question? How many more? How many more chocolates does Rita have than Ram? So how many more? So we have to subtract the numbers. So 20 minus 10. When we subtract, we get the answer 10. That means Rita has 10 chocolates more than Ram. Is it clear, Emmanuel?
Yes.
Yes. So let's move to number 16.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Rayan Sandeep, please read the question number 16.
Yes, ma'am. There are
Ah,
45
ah.
students in the
In two groups.
group.
There are 45 students in two groups. Okay, continue. If
If
one group
group
has
22 students,
find
find
the number of
the number of
students
in
the other group.
other group.
Okay, now you please listen here. Let's see once again the question. There are 45 students in two groups. See, in the class itself, sometimes the teacher will divide the students into different group. So here the teacher divide the students into two group. Okay, there are 45 students in two group. If one group has 22 students, so she divided the group into two, and one group having 22 students. Okay, we have to find the number of students in the other group. Total number of students 45. One group having 22 students. We have to find the number of students in the other group. So how we will find out? How we will find out? Rayan, how we will find out the number of students in the other group? Total number of students is 45. Okay. One group having 22 students. Then what about the other group? How many students will be there? Or how we will find out the number of students in the other group? How we will find out? Listen, see, we have to subtract here also. See, listen, total number of students is 45. Okay, total number of students is 45. See, when we add 3 and one number, we get the answer 5. Okay, 3 plus one number, we don't know that number. See, 3 plus one number is equal to 5. What is the number will be in the box?
2.
Ah, from where you got this 2? Will you tell me from where you got the number 2? Your answer is perfectly correct. See, listen. What we have to do now? We have to subtract. What from what we will what we subtract? Listen. See, when we add both the numbers, we got the answer 5. No? So 5 minus the number 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3, Rayan?
5 minus 3 is equal to
Huh.
7.
And 5 minus 3 equal to? Yes, now only you tell the answer. Ah, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is the way you got the answer. Rayan, listen here. Rayan, 3 plus 1 number, you get the answer 5. You have only tell me the number which should be added to 3 is 2. So from where you get the 2? You just minus. See, 5 minus 3. The answer is 2. The same way, see, one group having 22 students. Then another group that we don't know how many students are there. That we have to find out. But we know what is the total number of students. That is 45. Okay, 22 plus one number, we don't know that number, equal to 45. We have to find out the number in the box. So what we have to do? What is the total number of students? 45 minus the number of students in one group, that is 22. So 45 minus 22, we will get the answer. Understood, Rayan?
Yes.
Ah, yes.
45 minus 2.
45 minus 22. Now let's minus it. Okay. So 45 is bigger number. 45 and 22 both are. Ah, yes, yes. Your answer is correct. Now you please listen. Let's write it T and O. Tens and ones. Now let's write the numbers one below the other. And here we have the bigger number 45. The second number, that is 22. Okay. Let's minus. Now, at ones place 5 minus 2. What is the answer, Rayan? 5 minus 2.
5 minus 2 is equal to 3.
Very good. Good boy. Now, 4 minus 2. What is the answer? 4 minus 2.
4 minus 2 is equal to
Uh,
2.
up 2. Very good. So, you got the answer 23. Okay. So, the other group having how many students? Other group having how many students?
23.
Very good. See, 23 students. Just 1 minute. See, if you want to check, we can check it also. Please listen. See, I said 22 plus one number. We don't know that number, that is equal to 45. Let's see, is it 23 itself or not? Okay, I'm adding 22, one group, another group, I got the number 23. Now I'm adding. I should get the total number 45 anyway. Now let's see. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So 45. So one group having 22, other group having 23. So total number of students is 45. You got the idea? Total number of things is given. Total number of students number is given. One group having 22 students, other group we have to find out. So we have to subtract the number of students in one group from the total number of students. So 45 minus 22 is equal to 23 students. So the second group having 23 students. Okay. So please write the answer, all of you. This is an application level. We have to apply. Okay, Anirudh. We have to apply what we study. It is an application level question. Teacher divided the whole class into two groups. So one group having 22 students. Other group we don't know. We have to find out. So for finding out the other group, we have to subtract the number of students in one group from the total number of students. So 45 minus 22, we get the answer 23. So shall we move to the next question? Question number 17. Please complete the answer. Okay, please complete the answer. After that, we can move to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nainia, please read the question, Nainia. Question number 17. Jarna, it's the name of a girl. Huh? Bake. Bake. Hmm. Number. Baked. 14 cookies.
Cookies
For her
for her
school
school
cookie
cookie
festival. Okay. Jarna baked 14 cookies for her school cookie festival.
for
Continue. If
if
uh,
he
uh,
sold
if she sold how many rupees? 12 cookies.
12 cookies
How many cookies were?
if
How many cookies were left? Okay. Now you please listen. We can read the question together. See, Jarna baked 14 cookies. Cookies means it's a biscuit, no? Jarna baked 14 cookies for her school cookie festival. See, sometimes in her school there was a competition. So maybe for that she may bake the cookies. So how many she cooked? How many she baked? 14. So you can round the number 14. 14 cookies for her school cookie festival. If she sold, see, if she sold, he gave this cookie to other person for money, for getting the monies, selling the things. If she sold 12 cookies, she baked 14 cookies. Out of 14 cookies, 12 cookies she sold to others. How many cookies were left? You can see the word left here. So left is related to subtraction, no? So 14 cookies were baked. 12 cookies she sold to somebody. What is remaining? So what we should do, Nainia, to get the answer? What we should do? What's the total number of cookies she baked?
14.
It's 14. Okay. How many she sold? It's 12. Okay, it's 12 cookies. So we can subtract 12 from 14. So we will get the remaining number of cookies. So here we have 14 and 12, both are 2-digit numbers. So we can write the numbers one below the other. And the bigger number here it is 14. And smaller number it is 12. Now let's put a minus symbol. See, 4 minus 2. Serafin, are you listening here? Devharan, what is 4 minus 2, Devharan? 4 minus 2. What is the answer?
2.
Very good. Now, tens place 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 1 minus 1?
0.
0. So you got the answer 2. You can see 0, 2. That means value is 2 itself. If you put a 0 at the left side of the number, it having no value. But if 2 and right side is 0, it is 20. Okay. So here we can see how many cookies are left here. How many cookies are left here? 2 cookies. Cookies. 2 cookies. So 14 cookies were there. And out of 14, 12 cookies were sold. So what's remaining or what is left? 2. Only 2 cookies are remaining. That means her cookies are tasty. That's why, no, she sold 12. So 14 minus 12 is equal to 2 cookies.
I'm finished.
So let's move to question number 18. It's a hot question, high order thinking question. Please listen here. Okay, but it is simple. Now, please listen here. See, Maladi has 15 fruits. Okay, Maladi has 15 fruits. Her friend Leela has 25 fruits. Once again, please listen. Maladi has 15 fruits. Her friend has 25 fruits. Both want an equal number of fruits. How many fruits should Leela give to Maladi? Please listen. Maladi has 15 fruits and her friend Leela has 25 fruits. So who is having more number of fruits, Devana? Who is having more number of fruits? Is it Maladi or Leela?
Leela.
Leela. Leela having more number of fruits.
Leela.
Leela, yes, Devana. Leela having more number of fruits. We can see Maladi having only 15, but Leela having 25. 25 is the bigger number, no? So, Leela having 25, that much number of fruits, and Maladi having 15 number of fruits. What they want to do, they want to make it equal. Here we can see one is having 15, another one is having 25. It's not equal, no? But they have to make it an equal. How they can make it equal? If you having less number, your brother having more number, how you will make it equal? Same number. How can we do like that? Make it equal.
Divide.
No. Please listen to me. See, Devana, you have brother or sister?
No.
Oh, okay. Then we can we can talk about your mother. See, you have 15 fruits. Okay, think like that. Devana have 15 fruits, and your mother having 25 fruits. Okay. Yes, Banu Lakshna.
Drink water.
Yeah, you can drink water. It's okay. So Devana, please listen. So you have 15 fruits. Your mother having 25 fruits. Okay, so both having different number of fruits. I'm writing. So how you can make it equal? Before that, let me ask how it should be equal, same number. What you should do to make it equal? You have only 15, your mother having 25. Mother should give some of the fruits to you, no? Then it will become equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Your mother should give some number of fruits to you, then we can make it equal. Okay, now here also we can see the same method. That means just 1 minute. Let me write here. One is Maladi. No need to write you people. Please listen here. Maladi and another one Leela. Okay, one is Maladi, another one is Leela. Now I'm going to draw the fruits. I'm thinking it is an apple, maybe apple. Okay, so Maladi, how many fruits are there? 15 are there.
15.
Okay. So I'm going to draw 15 apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this much fruits are there with Malati. Okay. Now let's see Leela. Let's see Leela. Leela having how many fruits? 25 fruits.
25.
Okay. 25 fruits. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. Okay, so Maladi having 15, Leela having 25. So Leela should give some fruits to Maladi, then they can make it equal. Okay, is it clear? Leela should give some of the fruits to Maladi, then only they can make it as a same number. Okay, now
Yes.
Leela is going to start giving fruits to Malati. Okay, so Leela is giving one apple. See, she is taking one apple and she is giving to whom?
Malati.
Malati. Listen. I'm cutting one from Leela. So Malati got one. Okay, Maladi got one. Now see, what about Maladi? What's the total number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now what about Leela? Leela lost one because Leela gave one fruit to Maladi. So it becomes 24, no? 25 minus 1. It becomes 24. Is it equal? Is it equal?
No.
No. So Leela should give some more fruits to Malati. Now Leela is giving one more. Okay. Leela is giving one more fruit to Malati. So Malati go to one more. Now it was 16. Okay, this will become 16. Then she got to one more. So she got to 17. No? Now what about here? Now it become 23. No? Because it was 25, she gave one, then it become 24, she gave one more, then it become 23. Is it equal now? 17 and 23? No, she should give some more fruits. Okay, now Maladi is giving one more fruit. Okay, Maladi is giving one more fruit. So sorry, Leela is giving one more fruit, so Maladi got one more fruit. Okay, so now 18. Maladi now 18 and Leela become 22.
22.
Okay, 22. But 18 and 22 both are different. So Leela should give some more fruits. Okay, now Leela is giving one more fruit. Okay, Leela is giving one more fruit. So Maladi getting one more fruit. Now we become 19. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now 19 and 22. Is it equal?
No.
So she should give some more. So she is ready to give. Leela is giving one more fruit to Maladi. Now Maladi will become 20, no? 19 plus 1, 20. Maladi got 20 fruits now. What about Leela?
Indeed.
See? Not 21 means she's not 21. See, she's 25 was there. She gave one, then it become 24, then one more, 23, then 22, then 21. 21 also she gave. So what is remaining now?
21.
Now let's count. Let's see, let's count once again. See, let's see Maladi. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 was there. Now 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now it become 20. Okay. Now let's see Leela. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now she is also now 20 only. Now it become equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
So how many fruits Leela gave to Maladi?
5.
Ah, yes.
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. So Maladi got 5 more. Leela gave 5. So Leela gave 5 fruits to Maladi. So now it become 20. Both having 20 each. Okay. Now so let's write the answer. So let's write the answer. So we can say Leela should give Leela. Leela should 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 give. You can write. Leela should give how many fruits? How many fruits? Leela should give how many fruits she gave to Maladi?
5.
5 fruits. 5 fruits to Maladi. MALTI. Leela should give 5 fruits to Maladi. Then it will become equal, 20 each. Maladi will become 15 plus 5, 20. Then Leela, 25 minus 5, 20. Leela should give 5 fruits to Maladi. So here we can see the quality of quality, that is sharing. Leela is ready to share her fruits to Maladi. It's a good quality. We should share. If we have more number of items, we should share with the others. If we have 2 pencils, if one is there in the class having no pencils, we should share our pencil with them. No, so that caring and sharing, it's a good qualities. We should follow these qualities. We should take it as a habit. If we have more number of things, we should give to the one which one not having the same. Say here we can see that also the sharing quality. It's a value, sharing and caring. Leela should give 5 fruits to Maladi. So we completed this chapter, no?
Yes.
Yes. So the test paper we will conduct it on the next week, and
Ma'am,
next class.
Please share the board.
See, it's 9:38. Please listen. Please listen. Please listen. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. See, it's 9:38. I will share all the notes. Means the same page having the answers. No, I will share into the group. Okay. Now it's time to winding the session. So thank you for joining. We will meet in the next class and we will start the new chapter. Okay. Bye. See you.